Let's calculate this integral here, this definite integral. We have two integrals to carry out. The first one is x times the cosine of 3x, and this integral can be carried out by parts. So we have here integral of x, and then we can rewrite this as the differential of the sine of 3x divided by 3. So we can put 1/3 here, because the differential of the sine of 3x is cosine of 3x times 3. So this factor of 1/3 is required. And then we get 1/3. It's x times the sine of 3x minus the integral of sine of 3x dx. So this will give me 1/3 x sine of 3x minus 1/3 times the integral of the sine, which is minus cosine of 3x, and we also have to remember that we have to divide by 3 again, because the derivative of this function is sine of 3x. So this is just 1/3 x sine of 3x plus 1/9 cosine of 3x. And this is the indefinite integral of this, x times the cosine of 3x. Whereas we also have the integral 3 times the cosine of 3x, which is an easy integral, that's just the sine of 3x. So this result, the result is 1/3 x sine of 3x plus 1/9 cosine of 3x plus sine of 3x, and we have to evaluate this between 1 and pi over 4. So this will give me, let me do it here, if we put pi over 4, we have 1/3 pi over 4 sine of 3 pi over 4 plus 1/9 cosine of 3 pi over 4 plus sine of 3 pi over 4, and then we have to subtract the same thing but evaluate it when x is equal to 1. So we have minus, let me write it below here, 1/3 sine of 3 plus 1/9 cosine of 3 plus sine of 3, like this. Okay, so this is the result. You can try to write it better, and you can work it out, let's say, with more detail, because the sine of 3 pi over 4, so 3 pi over 4, what is 3 pi over 4? It is pi minus pi over 4. For example, you can write it like this, and the sine of pi minus pi over 4 is I mean, we have a formula for the sine of this, for example, because this is sine pi cosine pi over 4 minus cosine pi sine of pi over 4, and this is 0 because the sine of pi is 0, whereas minus cosine pi is 1. So this is the sine of pi over 4, which is square root of 2 over 2. So we can rewrite this by using some formulas and some trigonometric formulas, this one and this one as well. It's quite easy to do, so I'm not going to do all these details, but this is already a result.